The Lasallian teacher is like a lighthouse in a stormy night. The lighthouse is a reference point for the students navigating the intricacies of their academic journey. Amidst the harsh weather, the Lasallian teacher remains stable and true to its mission. The lighthouse has plants because it encourages the growth of the students. At the same time, the plants symbolize the diversity of the Lasallian teachers. And despite the diversity, the Lasallian teachers are united in providing learnings, hope, motivation, and love.
Ang gurong Lasalliano. Sa dagat ng kaalaman, isang tanglaw, gurong Lasalliano sa bawat daluyan. Parang tanglaw ng parola, liwanag sa lihim, sa paglalayag ng estudyante, gabay na walang patid. Sa bawat panganay ng karunungan, sila'y may taglay. Sa bawat tuktok, pagmamahal ay naglalagay. Sa mga pangarap na kanilang inilalayag, sa bawat pagsubok, ang kanilang lakas ay nagpapahayag. Ang gurong Lasalliano, tunay na kahanga-hanga.
If the Lasallian community is a tree, the Lasallian teacher are the roots. While the roots are not the nourishment themselves, they have the duty to provide nourishment for the rest of the tree. Each new sprout of leaves are new students, and in the same way that the leaves depend on nourishment from the roots also depend on the nourishment from the sun from the leaves, and so there's a give and take relationship between the students and the teachers, and that's why the Lasallian teachers are the roots of the Lasallian tree.
Hey!